Hello, this is John with Anthem Business Solutions, and today we're going to go over the hourly tickets report. Now, I'm on the admin portal, which is hrpos.heartland.us. Then I clicked on the menu button here and went to reports. And then these are your reports here on the left. I went to the hourly tickets report, and you can also view this same report. Actually, all these reports also show up on the workstation. Exactly the same. You can interact with them the same. All you have to do is go up to the top menu up here at the top right, and then go to the reports button. Now, as with most reports, you've got the date range up here at the top, so you can either use the arrows to go back and forth, or you can click on the actual date range and it'll pull up your calendar. Now, you've got quick buttons here you can press. For example, if you just want to see last month, you would just click last month or last week. Or you can select a specific date and hit run. If you want to do a certain customized range, you can change your month. Let's say, for example, you want to do year to date. Click on January 1st, go back to March 20th, and it would give you that date range. Click run. Now you've got print here, as long as you got an office printer hooked up. If you're doing this from the workstation, it would likely just use the printer. Then you've got an export button. You can export to PDF and CVS if you need to send this as a digital file. I would recommend doing this from a computer, as it can be difficult to do it from the iPad. You've also got a filter on this report for staff. You can filter by staff or just do all staff. And what this report is going to tell you is it's going to break everything down per hour, hence the hourly part. And a decent place to go to if you want to see like how many tickets were done during that time frame. You know, what hour has the most tickets, and then it breaks it down into sales and then gives you percentage. So here it's showing that the 2 p.m. time frame was actually the most profitable. It was actually the best time frame. So if you're just curious on, you know, what your sales are like hourly, this is kind of a good place to go to. There's not a whole lot else to it, not a whole lot that's interactable in here. It's not showing me I can click on anything here. So it kind of is what it is. Now, in a live environment, because this is just a training demo site, this would be a lot more populated, of course, but that's about all there is to this video. I hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching. Want to stay up to date on the latest tips and tricks? Don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon.